Okay, we learned some good stuff about how being safe and being on the road and stuff about the road. But let's see. In Master Azerbaijani Weekly Recap, let's see what words did we learn. We learned to say Durmaq, to stop, to get up, to halt, to stand. We learned Dayanacaq, a stop, a stopping point or a bus stop. We learned Sürmək, which means to drive, to lead and apply somehow. Qəza, for accidents, crash and breakdowns. We learned Təhlükə, danger, risk and hazard. We learned how to say slow, slowly, gentle with Yavash. And of course, we learned speed, velocity, and pace with Sürət. But that's not the only thing we learned. I have shared with you some dad joke uses. Some of them were, my plan said go, my feet said Durmaq. If only life had a Dayanacaq, I would get up there or here. Sure, let's run with scissors. Nothing says fun like Təhlükə. Or, even my coffee cools faster than this Yavaş Wi-Fi. I type at Sürət. Autocorrect panics. Now, quiz time? Which word also means pace? Feel free to type in the comments below. Don't have to worry about the letters that you don't have in your keyword. Something closest one will be the right way to do it. And of course, you know this. Make sure to come back next week for new words, new topic. If you do this every day, every week, that will equal to consistency. And consistency itself will equal to your fluency. Because we're learning a lot, not just words, beyond words. Speaking of beyond words, if you are interested in beyond word of the day, there's masterozobjini.com and Masterozobjini app for you. Check it out. Feel free to let me know how do you like it, what you don't like it. Just drop in the comments anywhere that fits you. I read them all. Otherwise, I'll see you next week. Cheers.